What's up, guys? Okay, y'all, I'm doing Show Off Your Decorated Christmas Tree Challenge hosted by Heidi. I'm going to put the playlist in my description box, I pray, so y'all can see everybody else's Christmas tree as well. This year, my theme is Buffalo Plaid / vintage type of Christmas. As you see, I have little buffalo plaid ribbons that I tied myself. And I have other little ornaments. Oh my God, y'all already know about this red truck. I'm in love with it. And the ribbon I actually got from 99-cent only store. And these red balls, ornaments, which are glass ornaments, I got at the thrift store. So I try to save as much money as possible, guys. Even the wrap, the burlap wrap ribbon, what have you, got that at the thrift store too. My tip for to show you guys, I got this tree skirt. Both of the tree skirts came from 99-cent only store. And the buffalo plaid one, I didn't think it was big enough for the circumference of my tree, so I just added the bottom one, which is just a solid red. So to me, it gave me the circumference that I wanted, yet staying within my theme. And I love it. So that's my tip. If your skirt is not big enough, but you still want to keep the theme going, hey, just double it, add 2 skirts, and then, hey, you're on your way. And both these skirts, the buffalo plaid skirt was $1.99. The simple red one was just $1. So you can't beat that price. I didn't know Christmas skirts cost that much, guys. So I was like, no, I'm going to make do with what I have. And I think my favorite ornament, I have so many, but I think I love the Santa Claus butt one. And I got this from the 99-cent store, guys. I really like it because it goes with the theme. And how cute is it, guys? But I have so many different ones I like. Of course, the Dollar Tree red truck. Who don't love that one? And then I also love my red door. I really love that one. And that's also came from the 99-cent only store, guys. So this is my tree, guys. Thank you, Heidi, for hosting this challenge. And thank you guys for watching my video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, go ahead and hook me up with a thumbs up. See you guys later, guys.